At this moment, I am going to describe about Turkey. Turkey is a country located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, with a rich history, diverse culture, and growing global importance. Country overview. The general information of Turkey. The official name, Republic of Turkey. Capital, Ankara. Largest city, Istanbul. Official language, Turkish. Population, 85 million as of 2023. Currency, Turkish lira, TRY. Time zone, TRT, UTC +3. Geography. Location, transcontinental country, spans southeastern Europe and Western Asia, Anatolia, bordered by 8 countries: Greece, Bulgaria, Armenia, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Iran, Iraq, and Syria. Seas surrounded by the Aegean Sea, Mediterranean Sea, and Black Sea. Straits control the Bosphorus and Dardanelles. Strategic waterway linking Europe and Asia. The top attraction of Turkey. Turkey is one of the world's top tourist destinations, blending ancient history, stunning nature, and vibrant culture. Istanbul, the historic city straddling Europe and Asia. Key cities: Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, Topkapi Palace, Grand Bazaar. Cappadocia, famous for unique rock formation, underground cities, and hot air balloon rides. Pamukkale, white travertine terrace with natural hot springs. Ephesus, ancient Greek and Roman city with ruins including the Temple of Artemis. Antalya and the Turquoise Coast, Mediterranean beach, resorts, and historic ruins. Mount Ararat, legendary resting place of Noah's Ark, popular with trekkers. Tourism strengthened, affordable compared to Western Europe. Excellent hospitality, mix of beach, adventure, culture, and wilderness tourism. Politics in Turkey. Turkey's political landscape is dynamic and sometimes controversial. System: Presidential Republic since 2018, before that a parliamentary system. Executive power held by the President, currently Recep Tayyip Erdogan. Legislature: Grand National Assembly, unicameral. Political highlight: Erdogan's AK party, AKP, has dominated politics since 2002. Opposition alliance like CHP-led blocs have gained strength in recent elections, especially in cities. Political issues include freedom of press and speech, secularism versus religious influence, Kurdish right, migration, hosting 3.6 million Syrian refugees, European Union accession status frozen due to democratic backsliding. Turkish food. Turkish cuisine is diverse, flavorful, and influenced by Ottoman, Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and Central Asian traditions. Must-try dishes: kebab, many regional varieties like Adana, Ufa, and Skender. Maize, small appetized plates often served with raki. Baklava, sweet pastry made with phyllo dough, pistachios, and syrup. Lamkan, thin flat bread topped with mayonnaise, meat and spices. often called Turkish pizza. Manti, Turkish dumplings served with yogurt and garlic sauce. Menemen, scrambled eggs with tomato, peppers and spices. Turkish tea, served in tulip-shaped glasses all day long. Turkish coffee, rich, unfiltered coffee served with grounds. Iran, cold yogurt-based drink. Raki, traditional alcoholic beverage known as lion's milk. Turkish uses the Latin alphabet. English is increasingly spoken in tourist and urban areas. Religion and society. Though officially secular, Islam plays a large role in everyday life. Head scarves and traditional values are more common in conservative area. Arts and culture. Strong tradition in music, folk, pop, classical, Ottoman. Turkish TV drama, dizi are popular globally. Traditional crafts, carpets, ceramic, calligraphy and marbling. International role. Member of NATO, G20 and other organizations. Strategic location between Europe, Middle East and Central Asia. European Union membership talks are ongoing but currently stalled. Thank you. Best of luck.